Hi, in this video we're going to show you a nice tool you could use to check your system uptime. So if you're always wondering how long your computer has been running and want a quick way to do so, you could use this free tool. So they have an installable version and a standalone version. So I'm using the standalone version. So you just extract the zip file and run the executable. So once you double click it, it tells you your uptime right there. And if you close it, it'll go down the system tray. It'll give you this notification which you could actually turn off. But anyways, you could go here and bring it up again. So if you want to turn off that notification, which you probably do, you can right click on it from the system tray, go to settings, turn off the notifications. So now when we bring it up and we close it, we don't get that notification. And then if you want to see digits only, you can do it like that. You could have it start minimized as well. And if you want to change the background color, for example, let's say we want this green, like so. You can change the font too if you want, like that. All right, I don't see an option to have it start with Windows. So you'd either have to put it in your startup apps or make a shortcut on your desktop or taskbar, whatever you want to do to run it if you want to always have it run with Windows. Or if not, you could just run it as needed from the executable. Either keep this folder somewhere or make a shortcut to this file like so, and then you can just run it from here. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download System Uptime, and then you could try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.